Welcome to another episode of Buffy's Flavorful Journey, where the chaos of life meets the calm of nature. Imagine stepping into a space where every breath eases your worries, and each step grounds you to the earth. Today, we're unlocking the secret garden of tranquility right in your backyard. Join us as we venture into the creation of a meditation garden, a sanctuary where silence speaks volumes and peace becomes palpable. If you've ever longed for a slice of paradise where time slows down and the mind finds its music, you're in for a treat. So let's embark on this journey together, transforming ordinary spaces into realms of relaxation and reflection. A meditation garden is a tranquil, private space designed to foster relaxation, mindfulness, and a deep connection with nature. Unlike traditional gardens, a meditation garden's primary purpose is to serve as a sanctuary for quiet reflection, meditation, and the rejuvenation of the mind, body, and spirit. These gardens are carefully crafted to engage the senses, promote peace, and provide a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The use of elements in a meditation garden is intentional, with each aspect contributing to an atmosphere of harmony and balance. Elements can include water features, such as fountains or ponds, which add soothing sounds and movement. Paths made of natural resources gently guide one through the space, while seating areas offer spaces for stillness and contemplation. Plant selection focuses on those that stimulate the senses in a gentle way, with fragrant flowers, textured foliage, and visually calming greenery. Meditation gardens can be used for various purposes, including 1. Meditation and mindfulness practices. The core purpose providing a serene setting conducive to meditation and mindfulness exercises. 2. Stress reduction. A peaceful escape to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting mental health. 3. Yoga and Tai Chi. An inspiring outdoor space for physical practices that complement meditation. 4. Nature connection. A way to deepen one's connection to nature, observing the subtle changes in flora and fauna. 5. Creative inspiration. A quiet spot where the mind can unwind, often sparking creative thoughts and solutions. And 6. Spiritual reflection. For those seeking a sacred space to connect with their spiritual beliefs or practices. Now let's talk about 10 practical tips for starting your meditation garden. 1. Select a quiet location. Choose a spot that feels secluded and away from the noise of streets or busy areas of your home or yard. 2. Incorporate natural elements. Use elements like stone, wood, and water to create a garden that feels like an extension of the natural landscape. 3. Add a water feature. A small fountain, bird bath, or pond can provide soothing sounds and movement, thus enhancing the meditative quality of the garden. 4. Create a path. Lay a simple, winding path made of natural materials such as gravel, stone, or wood chips to encourage slow, mindful walking. 5. Choose calming plants. Select plants with soothing colors, fragrances, and textures. Lavender, chamomile, and ferns are great choices. 6. Install comfortable seating. Place a bench, chair, or even a large stone in a spot that feels particularly peaceful for sitting, meditation, or contemplation. 7. Use privacy screens. Bamboo screens, lattice panels with climbing plants, or tall shrubs can create a sense of seclusion. 8. Implement soft lighting. Solar-powered lanterns or string lights can add a gentle glow for evening meditation without overwhelming the space. 9. Include a focal point. A statue, large rock, or special plant can serve as a central focus for meditation or contemplation. And 10. Minimize maintenance. Choose low maintenance plants and design elements to reduce the need for upkeep, keeping the space serene and carefree. By following those tips, you can create a meditation garden that serves as a personal sanctuary for relaxation, inspiration, and connection with the natural world. Now, as our journey through the whispers of leaves and the dance of shadows comes to a close, remember, the creation of a meditation garden is more than just landscaping. It's an invitation to harmony, a bridge to inner peace. Your very own tranquil retreat awaits your touch, ready to blossom with every seed of intention you plant. Now we turn the page to you. What elements will you weave into your meditation garden? How will you craft your personal oasis of calm? Please share your thoughts, plans, or even the tranquil spaces you've already created with us on social media. Connect with us using Buffy's Flavorful Journey's channel and our podcast, and let your journey of tranquility inspire others. Now don't forget to subscribe to Buffy's Flavorful Journey on YouTube and on your favorite podcast platforms. And stay tuned for more episodes where we explore the beauty of life, the simplicity of living, and the joy of aging gracefully. Until next time, family, may your garden bloom and your heart find peace in its every corner. And here's to the flavorful experiences that awaits us all. Cheers to the beauty of life's journey. Bye for now.